I ended up having to get new implants for my front 4 teeth. So I underwent multiple surgeries, grafts, just everything. Mostly here was where I received my new teeth, where I received my in-the-moment ones, new retainers, bleaching, just overall dental care. Input on the staff and doctors, absolutely just positive, overwhelmingly amazing. I feel like I'm coming here and I know everyone, and I feel like I'm friends with everyone, and I'm able to talk to people and ask them questions. I don't feel like I've ever had any negative experiences here that I can remember, and I just feel, after coming here for so long, I feel completely comfortable being here. It has absolutely changed the quality of my life. When I was in middle school and I first found out that I had this issue, I never thought that I was going to be completely normal again. I thought I was not going to be able to eat the same. I never thought I would be able to smile the same that I was able to, and now after completing this, I find that I'm able to live my life as I used to. Probably a little better, because I don't know that my teeth would have turned out as great as they are right now.